Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. Good night. Hi. Hello. Bye. See you soon. See you later. See you tomorrow. How are you? What's up? How's it going? Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Thank you. Thanks. Please. Here you are. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Cheers. Bless you. Great. Cool. Awesome. No problem. You're welcome. What? What's that? I'm sorry. Pardon me. Come again. Can you say it again? I'm fine. I'm all right. How about you? And you? Of course. Sure. Absolutely. Not really. Speak slowly. I don't understand. Good job. Well done. Whoops. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice holiday. Have a safe trip. Have fun. How's life? How's work? What happened? What's wrong? Why? Why not? Happy birthday. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. All the best. Open the window. Close the door. How much is it? Let me pay. Don't worry. How was your weekend? How was the trip? How was the party? Sleep well. Sweet dreams. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I'm late. I'd love to. It depends. Let me check. Let me see. Let me think. Never mind. Don't bother. No comment. No way. My pleasure. Catch you later. Take care. Go ahead. I don't mind. What do you mean? What does it mean? What time is it? What's the weather like? After you. Come on. You're right. You're wrong. You know what?